Heart sounds are vibrating sounds of cardiac structures brought on by changes that produce turbulent flow of blood. These waves are transmitted through the chest wall and are heard via stethoscope. There are some important concepts to keep in mind, and these concepts are often asked in exams. Those are how the heart sound is caused, different situations that can cause it, and the surface anatomy of areas of auscultations. It is important to familiarize your ear with the sound. Check the link in the description to see the full video.